Hello students, this is section 3 of chapter number 1, relations and functions. In this section, we will do some important questions. Okay. Take first question. Show that relation R in this set. A equal to set of all x belongs to set such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12 given by R equal to set of all xy such that modulus of x minus y is multiple of 4. Is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all elements related to what? This question. What is A? A means all integers between 0 and 12 including 0 and 12. What is relation? X is related to y if modulus of x minus y is multiple of 4. That means difference between two integers and its modulus should be a multiple of 4. Then we can say that two integers are related. So in order to show that it is equivalence relation, we want to show that it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So reflexive is an element related to same element. X related to x. X is related to y if modulus of x minus y is multiple of 4. So x is related to x if modulus of x minus x is multiple of 4. Modulus x minus x is 0 for all x. For all x belongs to it. That means, and what about 0? 0 is multiple of 4. X is related to x because x minus x equal to 0 and 0 is multiple of 4. That means x belongs to R. Relation is reflexive. You can take x as any numbers from the set A. If you take x equal to 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 0 is multiple of 4. That means 2 is related to 2. If you take x equal to 3, mod 3 minus 3 equal to 0 and 0 is multiple of 4. Okay. So clearly relation is reflexive. Now second one is symmetric. Symmetry means if x is related to y, we want to show that y related to x. So let xy belongs to R. We want to show that yx belongs to R. xy belongs to R means modulus of x minus y is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 we can write like this, 4 in 10. And we want to show that it is multiple of we want to show that modulus of y minus x is multiple of 4. So we can remove this modulus. When we remove this modulus, this will be x minus y equal to plus or minus 4 will get. Reason? Because if mod x equal to 4, what is the value of x? X equal to plus or minus 4. So similarly, if mod x minus y equal to 4m, then x minus y will be plus or minus 4m. So now multiply both sides with minus 1. So we'll get minus of x minus y, that is y minus x, equal to minus of plus or minus 4m, that is minus plus 4m, the same as plus or minus 4m. Now we can use the definition of modulus once again. Y minus x equal to plus or minus 4m means mod y minus x will be equal to 4m. That means y is related to x. Yx belongs to R. So xy belongs to R implies yx belongs to R. So clearly relation is symmetric. Now transitive. So let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. xy belongs to R means modulus of x minus y is multiple of 4. Yz belongs to R means modulus of y minus z is multiple of 4. We can take it as 4n and this is 4n because these two are different. Now we want to show that modulus of x minus z is multiple of 4. So just remove the modulus. So we get x minus y equal to plus or minus 4m. Y minus z equal to plus or minus 4n. So we are getting two equations. Just add these two equations. So we get x minus y plus y minus z is equal to plus or minus 4m plus or minus 4n. Right. Minus y plus y get cancelled. So we get x minus z equal to plus or minus 4 into m plus n. X minus z is plus or minus 4 m plus n means x minus z is multiple of 4. So now use definition of modulus. We will get modulus of x minus z is plus or minus 4 into m plus n. Modulus x minus z is 4 into m plus n. That means x z belongs to R. X is related to Z. So it is transitive, symmetric and reflexive. So relation is clearly an equivalence relation. Now we want to show its sub-question. Sub-question I will read once again. Find all elements related to 1. That means you have to find all elements in A related to 1. An element in A related to 1 means difference between 1 and that element should be multiple of 4. So you can take 1 by 1 and check. So element related to 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Right? That means 1 belongs to 1. 1 is related to 1. So one element related to 1 is 1 itself. Now, modulus of 1 minus 2 means it is 1 only. 1 is not a multiple of 4. Like that you have to find. 1 minus 5. That is mod minus 4. That is 4. And 4 is multiple of 4. So, 1 is related to 5. 1, 5 belongs to R. Now, modulus of 1 minus 9 is equal to 8. 8 is multiple of 4, so 1 is related to 9. Okay. The next one is 1 minus 13. But 13 is not in that set. So 1 is related to 1, 1 related to 5, and 1 related to 9. So set of all elements related to 1 are 1, 5, 9. This is otherwise called equivalence class of 1. Equivalence class of 1 is denoted by this symbol. Equivalence class of 1 means all elements in the given set related to 1. Equivalence class of 2 means all elements in this set related to 2. Like that question also you can expect. Okay. Now take second question. Show that relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equal to set of all AB such that A less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. We want to show that it is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. In order to show that it is not reflexive, we want to find one example which does not satisfy condition of reflexive. Okay. Same way for symmetric and transitive also. So reflexive. If you take A equal to 2, just verify this condition. A related to A, if A less than or equal to A square. 2 is less than or equal to 2 square, which is true. That means 2 belongs to R. 2 is related to 2. We want to find an example which does not satisfy this condition. Then only we can say that it is not reflexive. If you take A equal to 3, it will satisfy the condition. If you take A equal to 1 by 2, what happened? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 2 square. That means 1 by 2 is not related to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. So relation is not reflexive. If you want to show that it is reflexive, it should be okay for all the elements. This condition will be okay for all the elements, but it is not satisfied by one weight. So relation is not reflexive. Now symmetry. Here also you have to show that it is not symmetric. Let 1, 2 belongs to R. Right, because 1 is less than or equal to 2 square. What about 2, 1? 2, 1 belongs to R or 2, 1 does not. 2 is not less than or equal to 1 square. So that means 2, 1 does not belongs to R. 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 does not. So it is not symmetric. Transitive. We want to find example like this. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, but AC does not. So 8, 3 belongs to R, right? Because 8 is less than or equal to 3 square. 3, 2 belongs to R. 3, 2 belongs to R because 3 less than or equal to 2 square. What about 8, 2 belongs to R or does not? 8 less than or equal to 2 square or not less than or equal to? 8 is not less than or equal to 2 square. That means 8 is not related to 2. 8, 2 does not belongs to R. So we got one example such that AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, but AC does not. So it is not transitive, it is not symmetric and not reflexive. Like that question also you can expect for board examination. So you have to remember these type of examples. Take next question. Let R be a relation on H, where H is collection of all human beings in a town at a particular time. Defined as R equal to set of all xy, x is wife of y. Verify R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. H is collection of all human beings in a town at a particular time. We are fixing one time so that there will be a fixed number of people in that set. R is defined like this. Set of all xy, x is wife of y. X is wife of y. X is related to y if x is wife of y. Reflexive. Reflexive. XX does not belong to R, right? Because X is not wife of X. X cannot be wife of X itself. So XX does not belong to R, so it is not reflexive. Symmetry. You have to start with let. Let XY belongs to R. Means X is wife of Y. If X is wife of Y, Y is not wife of X. Correct? If X is wife of Y, Y cannot be wife of X. That means YX does not belong to R. YX belongs to R only if Y is wife of Y. Y is wife of X. So it is clearly not symmetric. Now what about transitive? Transitive. So take, let XY belongs to R and Y set belongs to R. You have to verify whether X set belongs to R or not. XY belongs to R means X is wife of Y. Y set belongs to R means Y is wife of Z. X is wife of Y, Y is wife of Z. Actually, second case is not possible, right? Because when X is wife of Y means X is female and Y is a male. Y is wife of Z means Y is female. Y cannot be both male and female. So second situation is not possible. That means we cannot prove that it is not transitive. So you have to say that it is transitive. Relation is transitive. Transitivity is possessed by a relation unless the given condition is violated. If there is no situation, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then it is transitive. Here XY belongs to R is there, but YX, the situation is not there. So you have to take that it is transitive. So relation is transitive. I will give one more example. So this is enough. One example. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3. I am forming a relation R on A. R equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What about R? This clearly reflexive, right? Because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is there. It is symmetric. 1, 1 reverse 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What about transitive? AB is there, but BA does not. If you take any example, we cannot prove that it is not transitive. So relation is transitive. Okay. There is no situation. It's like AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R in this case. So you have to take relation is transitive. Okay. That means this relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, but it is transitive. Very important question. Now consider one more question. Show that relation R defined by AB or CD implies A plus D equal to B plus C on A cross A, where A equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10 is an equivalence relation. Hence, write equivalence class of 3, 4, where A, B, C, D belongs to A. I will explain this question for you. Here R is a relation on A cross A. That means you have to find elements of A cross A. If R is a relation on L means you have to find two straight lines. If R is a relation on T means you have to find two triangles. And if R is a relation on Z means you have to take two integers. Here R is a relation on A cross A. That means you have to find two elements of A cross A. Elements of A cross A will be always ordered pairs. So first element of A cross A is AB. This is one element of A cross A. And second one is CD. So first element related to second element if it satisfies this condition. It means A plus D equal to B plus C. So this one you can study as a formula. Take this one as first, second, third, fourth. So result will be first plus fourth equal to second plus third. AB or CD if first plus fourth equal to second plus third. So if you are using that method, you can find answers very easily. So first one is reflexive. Reflexive. So first you have to show that one element related to same element. So one element of A cross A is AB. AB related to AB you understand. Show. So AB related to AB if first plus fourth equal to second plus third. This relation is true. This equation is true because A plus B is always equal to B plus C. That means AB or AB. So relation is clearly reflexive. Now second one is symmetric. Symmetry means if A is related to B, we want to show that B related to A. If A and B are elements. Here element is AB. AB related to second element is CD. We want to show that CD related to AB. AB or CD implies first plus fourth A plus D equal to B plus C, second plus third. Now find CD or AB. CD related to AB implies first plus fourth C plus B equal to second plus third, that is D plus C. So take this one as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. Now consider 1 and 2. Both represent same equation. A plus D, here D plus C. A plus D equal to D plus C. B plus C equal to C plus B. So 1 and 2 represent same equation. That means these two are same. AB or CD equal to if AB related to CD, then CD related to AB. So it is clearly symmetric. Third one is transitive. Transitive. Transitive means you have to take three elements. So if AB related to CD, first element related to second, and second element related to third. Third element we can take as EF. Then we want to show that first element related to third. That means AB related to EF we want to prove. So AB or CD implies A plus B, first plus fourth equal to second plus third. Here also you have to use same formula. First plus CD or EF implies C plus F, first plus fourth equal to second plus third. Okay. Now we want to show that AB related to EF. Okay. For that, just add these two equations. Otherwise, first we can verify what we got to prove. We want to prove that AB or EF. That means A plus F equal to B plus C. If A plus F equal to B plus E, we can say that AB related to EF. So take this one as equation number 3 and this one as equation number 4. By using 3 and 4, you have to show that A plus F equal to B plus C. You can just add 3 and 4. By adding 3 and 4, we will get left hand side this one. A plus D plus C plus F. Adding left hand side equal to right hand side will be B plus C plus D plus C. Okay. Now we can cancel D from both sides. We can cancel C from both sides. So we'll get A plus F equal to B plus E. A plus F equal to B plus C. Those conditions you are getting. That means AB related to EF. So relation is transitive. So it is transitive, symmetric and reflexive. So relation is an equivalence relation. Now we want to prove sub question. This line is find equivalence class of 3, 4. That means you have to find all ordered pairs related to 3, 4. So 3, 4, suppose AB related to 3, 4. That means 3, 4 are AB. 3, 4 related to AB if it satisfies the condition first plus fourth equal to second plus third. From this equation, we will get B equal to A plus 1. Now take value for A. When A equal to 1, what is the value of B? 2. Means 1, 2. Which implies 3, 4 is related to 1, 2. That you can verify 3, 4 related to 1, 2 or not. First plus fourth, that is 5. Second plus third, 5. Okay, that means 3, 4 is related to 1, 2. So first element related to 3, 4 is 1, 2. Same way you can find second element. Take A equal to 2. When A equal to 2, value of B equal to 3. When A equal to 3, value of B equal to 4. When A equal to 4, value of B equal to 5. A equal to 5, B 6. A equal to 6, B 7. When A equal to 7, B 8. When A equal to 8, B 9. When A equal to 9, B equal to 10. When A equal to 10, B will be 11. 11 is not there in this set. That means all these ordered pairs are related to 3, 4. So equivalence class of 3, 4 means set of all elements related to 3, 4. That means this is it. So these are very important questions from relations. In the next section, we will study different type of functions. Thank you.